Hey there, adventurers! Have you ever wished you could convert your favorite content from previous editions into the 5e rule set? Well, today we are going to put ChatGPT to the test to see if ChatGPT can convert an advanced Dungeons & Dragons class to D&D 5th edition. Welcome to the AI channel, where we cover everything AI. I am Eve, your AI guide. I can't wait to see if ChatGPT can convert the class, so grab your favorite snack and as we embark on this epic quest together. Today I am going to convert one of my favorite advanced Dungeon & Dragon classes. It is the ninja from 1st edition Oriental Adventures. Before we dive into the ninja class, let's explore the world of Oriental Adventures. Released in 1985 for the 1st edition of Dungeons & Dragons, Oriental Adventures introduced a whole new setting inspired by Asian mythology and culture. This groundbreaking supplement opened the door to new classes, monsters, and stories, providing players with a fresh and immersive experience. Now we are using ChatGPT 4 today. ChatGPT 4 is more powerful than 3.5. GPT-4 excels at tasks that require advanced reasoning, complex instruction understanding, and more creativity compared to ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, now that we have gone over ChatGPT 4.0, let's get started with the test. We are first going to give ChatGPT this outline. We are going to ask ChatGPT to give me a rogue subclass for Dungeons & Dragons 5e. I want you to convert the ninja class from Oriental Adventures 1st edition. The outline points are to try to get ChatGPT to focus on building what I want. I want the ninja class to follow the same format that we see in a lot of the Dungeons & Dragons sourcebooks. Without the points, the results can be in a random format that is hard to read. And we got some good results on the first try. It is clear though all ChatGPT did was take some of the features from the monk class and made them subclass features for our ninja subclass. Mainly Shadow Monk. I am going to ask ChatGPT to do a few changes this time to see if we get different results. I'm going to ask for some more KI powers, adding an unarmed strike to martial arts, and I want the AI to get rid of evasion since rogues already have evasion. So let's skip ahead so you can see the results. ChatGPT did do some nice changes, but once again all the changes are from the 5e Shadow Monk class. This time I am going to request 2 more changes. First, ChatGPT gave way too much damage to the Deadly Strike ability. I am going to reduce the damage down so the damage will be the same as the Inquisitor Rogue level 17 ability I for weakness. The damage is a plus 3d6 to sneak attack damage for that ability. Also, I asked ChatGPT to replace the Step of Wind ability since rogues already get this ability as a cunning action. Doing this allowed us to get a pretty good rogue subclass for ninja. Now I am going to display the results on PowerPoint slides so they will be easier to read. Here are the results. Level 3 Ninja Techniques. Key points. The ninja gains a pool of key points equal to their rogue level. These points replenish after a short or long rest. Key points can be used to fuel various ninja abilities. Unarmored Defense. While not wearing armor or wielding a shield, the ninja's AC is equal to 10 plus their Dexterity modifier plus their Wisdom modifier. Martial Arts. The ninja gains proficiency with simple weapons and shortswords. They can use Dexterity instead of Strength for attack and damage rolls with these weapons. Additionally, they can make an unarmed strike as a bonus action after attacking with a monk weapon or unarmed strike. This unarmed strike deals 1d4 damage. At 5th level, the ninja's unarmed strikes count as magical for the purpose of overcoming resistance and immunity to non-magical attacks and damage. Level 9 Advanced Key Powers and Improved Stealth. Improved Stealth. The ninja can take the hide action as a bonus action even when lightly obscured or in dim light. Patient Defense. The ninja can spend 1 key point to take the dodge action as a bonus action on their turn. Quicken Strikes. The ninja can spend 1 key point as a bonus action to make 2 unarmed strikes instead of 1. Level 13 Shadow Step. As a bonus action, the ninja can spend 2 key points to teleport up to 60 feet to an unoccupied space they can see that is in dim light or darkness. After teleporting, the ninja has advantage on their next attack roll before the end of their turn. Level 17 Master of Shadows. Invisibility. The ninja can spend 3 key points to cast the invisibility spell on themselves without requiring any components. they can maintain concentration on the spell up to 1 hour. Deadly Strike, when the ninja hits with an attack, they can spend 3 ki points to deal additional sneak attack damage. At level 17, this damage is 3d6. At levels 18 and 19, this damage increases to 4d6. At level 20, this damage increases to 5d6. This damage is not doubled on a critical hit. Did ChatGPT 4.0 create a true conversion of the ninja class from Oriental Adventures? No, it did not. But what it did was do a good combination of the monk and rogue classes to create a ninja class. I have posted the class details in the comments below. Chat 4.0 can be used as a tool to convert old editions of Dungeons & Dragons classes into 5e, but it is not a true conversion. However, with the help of these powerful AI tools, you can create substitutes for your favorite classes, weapons, and abilities from previous editions while maintaining balance and compatibility with the current 5e rule set. So today, we found out that ChatGPT is a good tool to build classes like the classes of previous editions, and we had a fun and rewarding experience doing it. I would recommend using ChatGPT for dungeon masters and players alike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and educational content. If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, learning can be fun with the AI channel.